It's cold as I ended up not liking where I put it. So my friend Kiera are always talking about sweet potato puffs.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Hey yo, it's me, your blind bestie. Welcome back to my channel. We're at the grocery store. It's cold as huh?
They got these big ass things over here. Cut up to the size that you want.
Yeah, but I don't want the skin. I don't like cutting the skin off. I just feel like I'm cutting off way too much of the salmon. This is gonna sound real random, but why? Let me see. But I never get hot sauce. This is $3. You said a medium size. That don't make. No.
$6.49.
I don't need a big old size. But babe, why didn't you start here? Why did he start here? I'll take that.
Why didn't you just put it in the car?
We have Polynesian sauce and Chick-fil-A sauce that we found. Y'all, show the camera back. Boy, don't nobody want to see your balls.
Yes, they do. I heard they're quite famous in the world.
No, they're not. That was awkward. So, got me a fresh cut of salmon. Well, it's not fresh. It didn't come out the water, but y'all get the point. Looking for rice. Y'all friend Anthony trying to give me frosted mini wheats with Paw Patrol in the box. I don't appreciate it.
Disgusting, dry ass. Fucking fresh.
They're not dry. You gotta add a lot of milk. No.
Okay.
I got Gatorade. Trying to have a healthy life. Healthy life, healthy wife. Whoa. Anthony's in Kroger doing too damn much. Huh? I'm so ready to go home, y'all. I like leaving the house, but I love going home every time. Look at him. You're not saying no breadsticks. I shouldn't be eating no breadsticks or garlic bread or garlic toast, whatever, anything bread. But we're almost done in here. We just went on a wild goose chase for some damn minced garlic. Yeah, there's white pepper. Well, now you know. You shut up. Anthony, don't give it up. What you find? Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, it can't be by you. I just found Texas toast, 5 cheese.
Him and this 5 cheese shit. You don't even taste those 5 cheeses. It's a scam, babe. It's a scam. It's a scam. He looks so much taller when I go up there like
Don't blame the shortness on me.
Boy, bye. Let's go. Look at this smoothie bowl. It's like a mixture of berries and stuff, frozen berries. And then I have a little bit of granola. And then a drizzle of honey. I ain't even gonna hold you. I do have those. But this is my breakfast. Good morning, y'all. So I literally was in the process of moving my desk and I ended up not liking where I put it. My puppy's trying to come in here with me. And no, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I have so much trash to pick up on the floor right there that was just like all around the desk. I honestly just feel like I just wasted my time doing all that. Like, I just don't think it's good lighting. It's no direct sunlight for like sit down videos. So let me show y'all. I'm like, I would have to constantly use artificial lighting. So like, legitly, I would have to constantly use artificial lighting. Theoretically correct. I'm just drinking a little Gatorade. In my head, it could work. Especially here, right? Got the tripod. Put y'all on the tripod. I feel like y'all may be a little too low for this. Maybe this could work. I don't know. So my friend Kiera are always talking about sweet potato puffs, and they're basically just sweet potato tater tots. We found them at Kroger when we went yesterday, so that is what I got warming up in the air fryer. And then I put some Tyson chicken bites in there as well. I'm gonna have this for lunch. Like I told you, I'm having salmon for dinner. Anthony's phone case came, and his Valentine's Day gift came from Amazon. So I'm just waiting on my phone case to come. It says it's coming today. We gonna see. But I'm just relaxing. I put on a timer for myself. I be having a hard time relaxing without trying to do like thumbnails, trying to find a video idea, trying to scroll on social media. I'm legitly trying to relax. So I have put a 2-hour timer on for me to just chill. And if after the 2 hours I'm still trying to chill, I'm going to continue chilling. My mind just be racing. So, oh, let me show y'all while I'm in the freezer. Let me show y'all the smoothie pack that I got as well. So this one came from Kroger too. So inside the pack, the already pre-portioned amounts of fruit, cut up fruit, and I don't have to like pre-portion out myself. But really, if I'm being technical, I can use, this is literally like 2 smoothies for me, 2 smoothie bowls. So half of this I can use in 1 cup, and the other half I can use for another cup, like legit 2. I also have these packs as well that I got from Walmart, and these are really good as well. My favorites is this mixed fruit one, but it's a little tart. It's really tart. Not a little, it is tart. So I like that. That's really where I got the honey for. So just in case that all those mixed fruits wasn't like already naturally sweet, I could add my own sweetener. Use raw honey. Boom. But I'm gonna have to go back to relax.